yeah, first of all, down here at the audio mixer, make sure to, yeah, just choose the right audio device so that you can see some volume here. So first of all, at your mic, click on the settings here and click on properties. And then at the device, just select the right device that you want to use and on OK. And the same thing for desktop audio, just click on settings, properties, and then select where you are also displaying your desktop audio. So in my case, it's my headset, Jarkoon SB1. Click on OK. And then you can already check if your mic volume is showing here. Then we can already hit on file in the top right, top left corner and click on settings. And then switch over to audio, and here the same thing. Make sure that your desktop audio is set to the right device and your mic is also set to the right device. Then meters, I would set the decay rate to fast, to peak, meter type to sample peak, monitoring device default, disable Windows audio decking. You can just copy my settings here, and then that's already it in here. And if you can't see any volume here, try the following thing. Just open your sound settings and then scroll down until you see more sound settings. Click on this here and then switch over to recording, and here select your audio device, your mic that you want to use in, or that you also use in OBS, and then click on set this properties and switch over to levels. Make sure that this isn't muted here and set to a normal level. And at advanced section, first of all, I would always suggest you to use the best quality. In my case, that's 48,000 Hertz. The better, or the more Hertz, the better. In most cases, this will be the same. And then I would always suggest you to try exclusive mode. Set both of, check both these settings, and then click on Apply, and click on OK, and click on OK, and close this one. And then you should see some volume here, and it should work again. That's it. Really hope this helped you guys. If you've got any questions regarding this topic, just let me know in the comment section below. Another thing that you can try is to just update your drivers. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.